Hold on, let me move it. No, let me get in my comfortable position, and I'm gonna just start randomly talking. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Just want to talk, ain't got nothing else to do. Can you hear me? Hold on, let me move my phone. Well, you can still see me. Wow, I gotta flash my eye. Okay. What's up? Welcome to my channel. I don't know what I was gonna talk about. I actually had something to talk about, but I don't remember. So, what's up with you? Huh? Actually, comment. What's going on with your life, Oh, okay. So we can talk about my hand. So, this weekend, right, my friend Brashana, she wanted her hair red. So, I honestly forgot I was supposed to do her hair that Friday, right? So she texted me. She was like, I'm supposed to go to your house. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm supposed to do her hair today. Because I know the next day I was supposed to do another friend's makeup for a wedding that she was going to. So this weekend was pretty intense. I'm really exhausted. Like, I can't function right now. Like, I'm so tired. But yeah, so I did her hair. And I knew I needed gloves because I knew I had to bleach her hair because she sent me what hair color she got. And it was like a semi-permanent, but it's not a penetrating semi-permanent, if that makes sense. Like, if it would have been a penetrating one that I had to put like a developer and everything, then I probably wouldn't have to bleach her hair, but it was more of like, you put it out. It was like more of a rinse, you know what I'm saying? Like, once it's bleached and everything, or if you have, or you're just trying to go darker, then it works. So, bleached her hair, and the bleach that I used was from the school I went to for getting my cosmetology license. And so I used that. I knew I needed gloves, but I thought that there was going to be like a Sally's or something near her, so I was driving. And I saw this little section or whatever, but I didn't know how to get off because I don't go over there. I'm not in that area. I don't go to that area a lot, and then, but then I was like, I dye someone's hair. I bleached someone's hair before without gloves. I'll be okay. I forgot that I only brought 30 developer. I didn't have the 20 like you used last time. So I was doing her hair. The back section, I was fine. When I got to the front, though, my hand started burning. So it was hard to do her hair a little bit to the point. Like, I don't know if you could see it. My hand is like peeling and stuff. You can't see it, but it's really gross right now. It was really red from the color because I had to put the color on too. So my hand is just peeling away. Oh, you can kind of see my nails. They're pretty red. See, these are my nails. That's hair dye and pain. So that's what happened. I knew I should have just got gloves. So, the next day, I was like, you might as well just go ahead and buy a whole box of gloves and stop being cheap. So I went to Sally's and I bought the black ones because I like the black gloves. I don't like seeing clear. I don't want no clear ones. I want black because they just seem thicker to me. So I finally got those. And then her roommate wants me to dye her hair orange. So I'll bring that when I do hers, whenever she tells me she wants it done. And then I did my friend April's makeup for her party. And that was a long day. And it could have been a shorter process than it was if the foundation color that she told me she wanted wasn't different, because we even compared and contrasted her foundation and the foundation I got, and it was the exact same name by MAC and number and everything, but mine was brighter and hers was darker. So I don't know if they like changed up the formula or whatever, but it was pretty stressful. But I fixed it because I had like this little palette thing that I could fix stuff with like that. But other than that, haven't been doing I haven't been doing makeup on myself. I was going through things. I still am, but a little better now. So I'll have a video, or at least an Instagram video, or some type of video. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I gotta take pictures of my blonde wig first before I turn it purple. But yeah, I had nothing to talk about. I really had nothing to talk about. Oh, I'm going to Ariana Grande's concert. I'm so excited. I don't know how to act. Whew. I made $110 this weekend. And then I bought the tickets for me and my friend Savannah, because Brashana, I was going to make me, Savannah, Brashana all go, but Brashana hasn't answered me in hours, and I only had a few minutes to get the tickets, so I got me and Savannah floor tickets. If Brashana wants to go, she could ride with me, because I bought parking too, and then hopefully her roommate will go with her, and they could get, like, other seats, I don't know, but I got the pre-sale, so yeah, that's lit. I'm so excited. I'm just like Ariana Grande and everything. 2018 is really Beyonce's and Ariana Grande's year, because Beyonce had Beachella for 2 weekends, and then her and Jay-Z's collab album, Everything Is Love, came out. Her song Ate Crap. I can't cuss, but you know what it is. That's my song. I love that song. Ariana Grande, she's been going through a lot this year, and really, it just a lot. Really here for her, because she's been going through a lot. I really thought her and Pete Davidson were gonna get married, because it was like, at all the people she dated, she actually said yes to someone, because I'm pretty sure at least one of her exes that she dated has mentioned getting married to her before, but it never happened. I'm sad about Malcolm dying. That was Mac Miller. That was a sad day. Like, who would have thought he would have just died like that? It was just so unexpected. I hope Demi Lovato gets better. I know I'm just talking about celebrities and everything, but these are like celebrities that I grew up with. I listen to their music a lot. I don't really branch out into music like that. Sometimes I do, when I get bored. But yeah, this week, this little what's it called? Daylight savings was amazing. I slept in, and it felt great. But now it's getting darker sooner. But whatever. I don't care. I got nothing else to talk about. So I'll see you later. Like, subscribe, comment, anything I talked about. I didn't talk about anything, but if you want to talk about anything I said, go ahead and comment. I'll answer you and talk about it with you. Follow me on Instagram at Violet_Eclipse, okay? I know it's not the same as my YouTube channel, but I've been having this Instagram handle for a while now, and I don't plan on changing it, because I used to change it like every other day. But yeah, that's it. See you later. Bye.